Alpha Laser introduces the new manual welding lasers of the ALO series. The ALO is available with 100 or 120 watt average laser power and offers a large and easy accessible opening which is laser safe secured by a 3-layer leather curtain. To weld long components, you find openings secured by brushes placed on both sides and in the chamber floor. Tools, wires and the parts to be processed are quickly at hand due to generous storage areas. The laser parameters are set using the membrane keyboard or the joystick inside the work chamber. The toggle switch allows a quick change between up to 39 stored parameter sets. The rigid argon nozzle is longitudinally adjustable for optimized shielding gas coverage. The nozzle is closed by resetting, and a flexible gas nozzle is also available. To reduce possible glare of high reflective surfaces, the brightness can be continuously reduced using a dimmer. An integrated air nozzle may be used to cool down heated components quickly. A comfortable leather cushion serves as an arm support and stabilizes the hands during the welding. The optional rotary axis can hold workpieces with up to 16 mm diameter. And has a manual Z adjustment for focusing. It can weld round parts vertical, horizontal, or at any angle in between. The rotation speed and its direction is adjusted by a rotary switch. Now let's have a look at the ALO Micro. For easy handling of long components, the ALO Micro has a brush slot in the bottom of the working chamber which is opened all the way to the front. The optional rotary axis can be freely positioned and swiveled by 180 degrees to reach the ideal workpiece position. The Chromatic chuck option allows quick clamping of components without using tools. A great range of manual adjustment options such as the XY fine adjustment and the Z adjustment on the rotary axis are available, and especially the manual adjustment of the focusing optic speeds up your workflow. Beside all laser parameters, also the rotary axis is controlled via the touch panel. The recallable pulse shape supports you when processing a large number of sensitive materials. For sensitive or very thin or fine components, the use of the fine welding function is recommended. This allows to produce weld spots smaller than 100 micrometer. Let us summarize some of the ALO features. Easily accessible openings that still ensure laser safety, openings in the chamber floor and on the side doors to insert long components, a comfortable leather cushion armrest, an intuitively operated touch panel, great range of different rotation axes available, as well as a micro manipulator for easy and exact positioning.